Hi everybody, it's Miss Carrie from South Fayette and Bridgeville Public Libraries, and it's time for Quaran-TEENed DIY. And what we're going to be doing today is taking an old t-shirt and making it into a scarf. So now that you know what we'll need, we're going to get started. So what you'll need first, I'm going to use fabric scissors, but you can use regular scissors if you would like. And I'm going to cut underneath the arms of my shirt, a ruler, and measuring about 5 inches up, and then taking some tape, and then taping down where the 5 And then what you're going to do next, you're going to take your fabric scissors or regular scissors, and you're going to go from the area that you cut and cut all the way up. I'm going to do like about an inch. I'm going to try my best to make it the same for each thing, but it's totally understandable if they're not too similar. Okay, and then something else to know is that you kind of want to try to have even numbers with this if you possibly can. It just makes it a little bit easier for whenever, if you want to knot it later. So the next part is you want to just pull on your t-shirt strands. And then what you're going to do is put the first layer kind of up, so then you can work on the bottom layer first. So now that we have the first layer on top and the second layer down so that we can see it, what we are going to do is we're going to take the first 2 strands and we're just going to double knot it, and then we're going to do it for the rest of that row. And then I'll show you how to do, if you want the fringe, you'd stop at that. And if you want more of a macrame style, we're going to talk about that today too, which is kind of cool. So the next part, what you're going to do, if you want to just keep it as is, you can. But the next part, you can do macrame, which this is the first strand that I have. I would let that one stay over to the side. And what I would do is I would do a double knot, but I would leave it like a little bit further away than what I did my original knots. And then you'd get like something like this, which is pretty cool. And then you would continually do that. All right, and then you'd keep doing that throughout the entire row. Okay, and then what you'll do, since you have all of them done down that row, you're gonna take that one that you did, and you're going to take the one that you originally did, and you're gonna just do a double knot. All right, and then whenever it's done, it's gonna look somewhat like that. And then what you wanna do after that is do the top row. That's all there is to it. It's pretty simple. The one thing that I would suggest and recommend is having even numbers for the strands that you cut, because it'll make it a little bit easier towards the end for yourself. And this is what it'll look like at the end if you want to see, like a little bit knotted, a little bit of macrame, which is cool. You'll get like the like diamond shapes, which is pretty awesome. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you have a good rest of the week. I'll see you next week. Bye.